провод, чтобы разнести. Поэтому то уже, конечно, шинами оно удобнее.
Смотря где используют.
Да, там чисто вот уже
Не,
такие
а
моменты.
больше где у нас используется все-таки в каких случаях? У нас
Ну,
на
тупые
продаже.
квартирные щитки самые простые, да, ну, как бы стандартные берется. А которые такие волшебные, это уже что-то промышленное, которое
То
там
есть
потом
промышленных
продается.
вот эти
Да.
цвета. So,
Okay.
dear colleagues, in domestic way, people normally use MCBs without U-type or pin-type DIN rail. In
Получается, уже идет, ну как,
промышленная.
ПВ, там, 30,
Ой,
25.
ПВ-3.
Да, да.
Нет,
20.
по единице.
In industrial,
Industrial. Yeah.
they are using
То есть они
U-type.
more U-type and P-type, an industrial sphere of using. So
Yeah.
domestic sphere, normal MCBs. Industrial sphere,
Yeah. I have
U-type.
one question. If we produce this kind of products but don't have IEC standard, is this okay?
yes,
No problem?
no problem.
Допустим, тот же самый Хагер, он не просто щитки, у него автоматы и щитки и со специальными уже там с шинками дополнительно уже продается. То же самое и в АББ, вот я такое слышала, просто с ними не сталкивалась. Но вот Хагер, они делают дополнительные шины, идут у них в комплекте
С автоматом.
к щитку, под их автоматы. Там уже четко, там какой у тебя щиток, как ты там будешь крепить эти автоматы.
Ну, это уже
у тебя идут уже
конкретное
комплекты.
количество
Нет,
чего-то
просто
есть.
как бы производитель, который, у них же линейка полностью, автоматы, щиты, тынь, то они вот эти моменты предусматривают, то есть как бы тоже можно посмотреть, как у них это все.
Да, но это идет сразу удорожание.
Ну да.
Ну,
Э,
монтаж, легкость.
Our manager told us that if we speak about Schneider ABB,
Okay.
in case of production of a big quantity as a whole solution
Yeah.
in power supply box,
Okay.
they already provide not only MCBs with these special holes for this U-type, P-type rails, they already provide a special hose with their own rails. They are providing
Oh, really?
MCBs, own rails with a special kind of pin type, U type, or another type connection. So
Okay, okay.
as they their position is as a big factory, so they decided in their internal team to make more global solution and provide its own rail, because you know people are using many rails and
Популярные.
You means we cannot replace it, right?
yes,
Our MCB cannot fix with their design.
yes, you could invent your own rail for connection, for comfortable connection, because normally in industrial sphere almost every power supply box are collected, and if we speak about more than 50 peaks of MCBs, always they're using this rail for comfortable connection. It is more safety, more fastly, more comfortable, and from point of view it is also more beautiful. You see one white rail and instead of a lot of quantity of cables. So if you can provide for our future orders your own solution according this rail, it will be very interesting.
Yeah.
We can also buy it and sell in Ukraine as your own decision in this way.
Yeah. You know, Mr. Alex, I will give this recommendation to our factory, and of course we will need your help if you need this kind of products.
Okay.
Yeah, you should give us some samples and tell our factory what is the quantity you need. Yeah, we can research this kind of products, but if the quantity is small, we don't have enough money to go
investigate.
through the standard, you know. Yeah, the standard.
Okay.
Okay, so So the standard, if you don't need the IEC standard, we can consider it. But I think if you need this kind of products, also need IEC standard. Maybe it means a high cost.
No, we don't need standard. We need only a little technical interruption in
Okay.
point of view of possibility using U-type or pin-type rail for facility future connection of them if we speak about the connection in parallel. So is
Shall
that-
you provide some samples to us?
I already in the previous visit of Jason
Send a photo.
and Pasha, no, I already bought them 2 different samples, one ABB with this rail connection and one EEC. And
Yeah, okay.
Pasha have told me that he had sent it directly to the factory. So Pasha already had 2 MCBs
Yeah.
with this kind of. You can investigate them and tell us if you can provide or if you know. So if you can provide, what will be future change in the price.
Got it. Okay.
But if the changes will be more than 5%, it is not interesting because our final buyer, the main interest is the price. So,
Okay. Yeah, I have one more question. If we, in case we don't provide this kind of products, U-type products. Yeah, what is the influence between you and your customers? Yeah, my meaning is if the quantity is small, yeah, you can sell them normal MCB and ACB. Also include ATS. Yeah, if they accept it, you can sell this kind of products. Yeah, because U-type products, I think they don't need more. You know, I don't want one kind of products can consider your project. You know, yeah. My opinion is, if you can do, you just got the project at first. And about the U-type products, we can provide the samples to our factory, and our engineer will do a research. But if we determine to do it, it's also need a long time. You know.
Okay, no issues. I think
Yeah. But I'm not sure whether our factory will do it or not.
no problem. Let's continue with this one if it is because I ask you why because in the past conversation with Jason and Pasha they
Yeah,
told me no problems. We are
Oh,
doing
that's good.
everything, no problems, no rise up the price, everything fine. Now I'm speaking directly with the representative of factory and you told me another point of view. So I think and I could suppose that it is a little
Yeah.
big problem. So if it is, we can wait for this solution for the future. First of all,
Both solutions are okay, but also we have this ability, but it's depend on the price. You know, we can produce this, but the price is not as same as equal as E10, right?
Yes.
E8 or ABB. So
So,
yeah,
yes,
that's the matter.
if you told
It's
me
easy
this,
to produce
this,
that. Yeah.
if you told me this, so I think that the price is more important.
Yeah,
and we
yeah,
shall
yeah.
to continue with these types without.
Yeah.
Okay.
If the market of this type is
No,
not
no,
so big,
no.
yeah, maybe the price will be lower and the quantity more, price lower, and that is available for you to provide this kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know the price of EEC and ABB's U-type products? Do you know the
I
price?
will show you. Tomorrow,
Oh, okay.
after tomorrow, in our
Exhibition.
outdoor visiting.
Visiting. Oh, okay.
Yes, I will show you everything. I will show you all of the Chinese
problem.
companies which are provided in Ukraine. I will show you U-type, I will show you pin-type, I will show you all the difference, I will show you the price, I will show...
Okay, everything.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. We must know the price, the cost, and our factory will determine whether we will do it or not. you know.
Everything is open, is white, and is clear.
Yeah,
you could
okay,
see
okay,
the
okay.
price directly in the shop, and you could
Yeah.
calculate the full price of this
Okay.
equipment in China.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, just now I have, let's continue.
Yes, yes, for sure.
Okay. Yeah, just now I have told you that HMCB and MCB's installation and the connection is different. MCB only have one map. Yeah, 35 mm DIN pipe.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and screw. Terminal screw. But HMCB have many kinds of maps that can be choose. Yeah, for example, only one instance. This place is connection. Yeah, it's another kind of screw. Can you see the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Here, and HMCB is here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's the difference.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And if you wanna learn about more details about HMCB, you can see our catalog. Yeah, our catalog will show you
Okay.
every details, every parameter about this kind of products.
I think that in this way we could study them by ourselves, and
Yeah.
when we will have, in case when we will have questions, we will
Yeah,
send
you can ask me.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Because last month you have asked us about NDB3 some questions. Yeah, and I think the cable you can produce include telecom equipment. Yeah, telecom cabinet. Yeah, to replace Huawei's cabinet.
Mhm.
So Huawei, every year Huawei buy our this kind of products, huge quantity. Yeah, so I think you must let your colleague learn about this kind of products, because the method of installation, the method of connection, and is sophisticated. Yeah, not sophisticated. So you must learn about it, and then you can produce it and buy it. Yeah, yeah. If you don't learn about that, maybe some mistakes you will make. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So a question: do you have engineer to about cabinet engineer? My meaning is, a cabinet engineer, they need to learn about the parts. Yeah, they must know every part they will choose. That they must learn about it.
You mean outdoor cabinet? You mean outdoor cabinet?
Outdoor?
Steel cabinet?
No, not outdoor. Yeah, outdoor cabinet also, engineer also need to learn about it. And the engineer who will need this kind of products, HMCB, yeah, he must know this kind of products. Because of HMCB is sophisticated. Yeah, it's more sophisticated than MCB.
Mhm.
So he must know it very well.
In our case, I will be an engineer of this way.
Okay. Yeah. Shall you tell me how do you produce the cabinet? No, if you don't have engineer, how do you know how to produce it or design it?
We have some kind of technical conditions for main position. For example, for technical condition for our buyers, potential buyers.
Potential. Okay.
Yes, and according to this technical condition, we have a project for this outdoor and indoor cabinets, and according to this already prepared projects, we providing this kind of cabinets.
Yeah, your meaning is that the HMCB you provide for your customers, and your customer will produce cabinet.
No, we are providing only steel part.
Steel?
Steel part. Steel part. Steel part of this outdoor cabinet. After providing these steel parts, after our partners install the Huawei systems and air condition. But Huawei system already have their internal MCB breaker, so we don't use another one.
I'm sorry, 太什么意思？
Please repeat.
Yeah, please. I can't get your point.
We are preparing
Yeah.
only steel part because outdoor cabinet is
You
provided
only produce a structure, right?
structure, yes.
Yeah,
Inside parts, air condition, shelves, power supply systems, it can be Emerson, it can be Eltec, it can be Huawei.
Mhm.
We searching partners and deciding which partner provide
Just
us
fine.
yes more interesting price.
Yeah, last month you told me that you wanna replace Huawei's cabinet.
Yes.
Yeah. So how can you replace their products?
How we replaced?
Yeah, how to replace them?
In case of breaking,
Breaking.
yes. In case of break,
No, he means that you said your company will replace the Huawei cabinet. You will produce your own cabinet, the whole part. And in that case, how you can replace it? That's the point that you should use, and you should well know about HMCB, because Huawei in the Huawei cabinet, they exactly use HMCB. So if you want to produce your own this kind of cabinet, you should well know about that. That's the
no,
point. Yeah.
but we don't have such possibility to provide our
The whole old cabinet.
whole cabinet. We providing only
Only structure.
structure.
Yeah.
After we buying from Huawei power supply system, after we buying from another company air condition, we collecting
Gather
them
it,
in one and selling. But in case of breaking NDB3, we solve this problem. We take the broken, we read the
Yes,
technical
yes.
parameters, we
Yeah.
send you,
Yeah,
and we
yeah.
replaced it. Only according this way. But in the future, we will think about this. But it is depends on the financial point of view, because nowadays it is more interesting to buy
From them.
power supply system from Huawei than provide the key. And the steel cabinets is better provide here, produced here than in China. And these two different solutions we collected and we speak with our partners and we decided to go out with own solution.
Yeah.
Производим.
Будем,
Он вчера
может
сказал.
быть.
做箱子，合作柜体，里边
Для плана прям четкие треуголки нет.
他们制作那个
Будем производить все.
结构方面的东西，别的东西他们不做，都是买的。
What do you mean structure?
Frame. It's
Frame,
Just frame.
just frame, yes.
Okay. Yeah, that means you will also buy Huawei's cabinet.
yeah, still
Yes,
buy from them.
yes. We doesn't provide our own.
Okay. Yeah, why you ask me the products about Huawei's cabinet? You know, if you still buy cabinet from Huawei, that means you doesn't need to buy our HMCB, because Huawei buy our HMCB directly, and then he will install the cabinet on the cabinet, and then he will provide the cabinet to you. So why you ask
Means
me
that you will buy HMCB from Nader or from Huawei.
From Nader.
Yeah, but it exists in the equipment.
But
Yeah.
in case when this MCB has broken, they didn't have spares.
After service. Yeah.
Yes, for after service work.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Some confused from me, so I
That's
asked
you.
you.
No, it is normal.
Okay.
We are here for discuss.
Okay. Yeah, and then I will show you about the principle. Do you have any question?
No.
Yeah, and then I will
Maybe
show.
they we like more communication, but
No, they understand
yeah.
everything.
I saw this lady have
She didn't speak English. In the future, I will translate.
she can cut off anytime. No problem. Yes. if she wants.
Okay.
Tell her she's beautiful.
No, I guess everything is clear. Yes.
Everything's there.
She's receiving.
Don't be shy. That's okay.
Very beautiful. Okay, you can tell her. Okay, and then I will show some main customer about HMCB. Huawei, ZTE, and Amazon. Amazon's now name is Verti. You know. Yeah, here's our three main customer. Just now I've told you that HMCB have a little range application. Telecom equipment is the main application. Okay. And then here's the cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you learn about that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then here is power power solution industry.
Mm-hmm.
Signal power, signal cabinet. Yeah, maybe use this kind of products. Also, here's our main brand, Delta, Eaton, and Amazon.
Eltec also.
Yeah. Here is the cabinet,
Mm-hmm.
power solution.